In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or insert comments in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to just start by left clicking on the Insert tab up at the top one time, and then you want to go over and left click on Comment, this comment button right above Comments, add a note about this part of the document, so left click on that, type in whatever note you want to leave, and then just hit enter or click out of it to save. Once you're done with that, if you actually close out of this pane window here, the comment will remain. So I went over to any other tabs or went between different slides. If I come back over here and I double click to show the comments pane, it'll show me the comment over here. Now if you want to delete it, you just left click on this little X, which will delete it out, and it should say there are no comments in this presentation. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.